What's up, trash can?
What's up?
What's up, dude? That's a good game of chess, man. I had a good game with you. How long have you been playing chess?
Like 4 or 5 years.
Damn, you're pretty good for a chess player.
Thanks. Trying to get better.
Well, hopefully that game. Well, you know, with every game you get better because you learn like what to do and what not to do. Like you played very strong there in the beginning, which is why I thought you were cheating because you're almost like too good. And I'm just like, how is he so good at this? So, but yeah, the end game's important. End game's the most important thing of chess. So, and the only way you can get better at the end game is by making it to the end game. And the only way you get to the end game is by playing games, right? You know, and I'm glad you didn't give up. What's up, Ethan? Yeah, there's sometimes kids who like will play chess with me, and then once they lose like one of their major pieces, like, oh, I give up, and I'm like, no, don't give up. You gotta learn. You gotta learn from stuff. That's the only way. The only way to get better is to learn by playing. And yeah, you stuck it through, which is good. I appreciate that. That's cool. All right. What's up, Ethan? Saw your report card. You got an A+ in math, dude. That's fucking dope.
That's dope.
Oh, let me stream on the Discord. Uh-huh. Cool. All right. Last stream. I'm eating a peanut butter tortilla. This is my lunch.
You know, I wait for that A+, you know.
Yeah, dude. I'm glad, dude. I want to reward you for
I
that.
wish I got an A. I wish I got an A in science, you know.
What did you have? You have a B+ in science?
Yeah, so close to an A.
Well, you can always like ask questions about science stuff. I can teach you science.
I don't feel like they are even questions though. Like they're just simple ones.
Okay. Well, even if they're simple
Because
ones, that's still stuff we can go over. Fuck.
Okay, but then it's like I haven't learned the 3 sciences as yet. I haven't even been in physics, chemistry, or biology.
That's okay. You know, you've probably been in what's called like integrated science, which means like they're doing all of them kind of all at once. That's what like integrated science is.
Well, maybe.
Oh, I fucked up. I have no water. All right. Whatever. Okay, cool. All right.
Yo.
Yo, what's up, Obama? What's up? What's up, bruh? How's life?
School still has me tired.
Always tired, dude. You gotta take more naps, bro. Take some naps, dude. Naps are great.
I don't
Bob's
need
got
naps.
some good questions.
They make me even more tired.
They make me even more tired, he says. Okay. That's well, depends on the type of nap you're taking. So like for me, like the sweet spot is like a 20-minute nap. Like set a timer and just go to sleep for like 20 minutes. If you have a nap for like
minutes,
if you have a nap for more than
well, you're
like
not human.
if you have a nap for like an hour, dude, like you might as well just go to sleep. You know. Like,
I don't nap at all. Once
You
I
don't
wake
nap.
up, I don't go back to sleep unless it's night.
Whoa.
yo, what's up, Graham? Missed you, Graham.
What's the job?
Grim is a working boy, dude. He's an employed man of society.
Yeah.
Grim has a
I get paid
job.
next month.
How much you get-
next month?
Money up.
How much? What's your hourly? What do they start you at?
8.5 hourly. That's a
Damn.
good start.
It is a good start. You know, here in California, that our minimum wage requirements are so high. I think it's like $15
Wait, how much?
minimum.
How much?
I think it's 15. I think minimum's like 15 here.
It is more.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 15. What the hell?
Well, yeah.
Go.
I mean, here we can look up like.
Go.
Yeah, what's up, dude?
You get paid a higher minimum wage, but your shit is more expensive.
Exactly.
over there.
Cost of living sucks. Yeah. So California, wow. Yeah. Minimum wage is $15.50 per hour. What's Texas? $7.25. Okay, so you're more than minimum wage. Very good job, Grim. Grim's you've already gotten a raise, dude. Let's see what like New Jersey is.
My parents are awesome, bro.
And why I think it's 15.
Yeah, New Jersey's. Now, well, here's an interesting thing. If you're a server, they kind of fuck with you. Yeah, look. If you get paid off tips, you know, like if you ever gone out to eat and your parents like give a tip or whatnot.
I got a $3 tip on my.
$5?
Yeah, so
First tip.
if you're a tipped worker, they only have to pay you $5 an hour, and then your tips need to go at least up to over minimum wage. It's kind of fucked, honestly.
And you
Yeah.
have
Bro,
to
I get
split it at the end.
And you have to split the
I
end.
got 2 workers.
Oh, dude, look at this.
I
Oh,
got
this is
two-
bad, dude. Texas minimum wage if you're a server is $2.13.
What the hell?
I got 2 coworkers.
Jeez.
One of my coworkers is named Destiny. She's 18. The other one is named Louise.
Yeah.
They are 16. They are both my age.
That's cool, man. Yeah, you're gonna meet some friends and stuff. Just don't get anyone pregnant, please. Don't do it.
I know,
Don't do
right?
it.
Grim has a
Also,
hard time
don't date
understanding that.
anyone. Don't date any of your fellow. Don't date any of your coworkers. That's always a bad idea. Don't do it.
I would ask Louise about
Don't do
the situation. I was asking Louise about the situation at work with Destiny, and we were just talking about in the old series in the past.
Okay. Yeah. So great. I'm glad you're getting paid $8.25. I'm glad you got tips. You know, this is why you guys want an education, because you don't want to be a server. If you got to be a server,
Yeah.
dude, they don't pay you very much. You get $2 an hour. And then minimum they have to pay
Or
you
a
$7
waiter.
after tips. Yeah, but and then they tax your tips, dude. You don't want that shit. It's bad. Bad, dude. Gross. Anyways. Okay, cool. Awesome.
is this?
Anyone else have anything cool happen to them between Monday and Wednesday? You want to get anything else want to share before we start doing
I have
questions?
something cool.
What's up?
In
What
3
happened, dude?
days, I won't be able to talk on Discord or anything. or
Why?
play.
What's happening in 3 days, dude? Are you losing your voice?
I'm losing my everything.
No. Why are you losing everything? What's happening, dude?
I'm grades again, I swear.
Yeah.
I gotta go.
Because what, you have to go to Russia again? You remember when you left us for like 8 months? We were like, where the fuck is Nick?
I have to go again.
Okay. You don't have access to Discord in Russia?
Not right. I'm not going back to
Oh, where are you going? Where are you going, dude? Where are you going?
school.
Oh, school. Okay. All right. All good.
Yeah.
Well,
I won't be
hopefully
able to-
we'll miss you. Hopefully you can come back at some
Yeah.
point, you know. You're becoming an adult.
Nick, why you get mad at me? What I do? I only saluted you and you got mad at me.
It's
Mhm.
okay. You guys are chill.
You shouted the salute gift.
Okay. I like
Yeah,
the
and
salute
then,
gift. Dude.
Raiden and Shaq's like, yeah, this is the best thing that's ever happened. in
Oh, stop. Raiden and Shaq are too much, dude. So what's up? What's up, Adarish? Hey, Darish. Okay, cool. All right, let's start off office hours. Welcome, everyone, office hours. My name is Dr. Gold. This is Actual Education, the stream that helps you out with your math homework, science homework, life questions, whatever you guys want. I'm here. I'm here for you guys. Okay, cool. Start things off. We got Trash Can is Disgusting with, that's his username. It's okay. He's not actually disgusting. His username is Trash Can is Disgusting. You're right. Is, doing something here. Okay. 2 triangles with hypotenuses on the same line. The slopes. Oh, I can't really read of it. What is the slope of triangle 2? Okay. This is a good question, man. I like these. These are good. I actually just went over this with another student. I went over slope intercept form. So here. What do you need help with here? What's confusing, man?
I just want to know if it's correct.
You just want to know if it's correct. All right, that's fine. Okay. Triangle 1 is here.
Is it?
Let's look. Okay. So you want to know, so this is like the hypotenuse, right, of any triangle is kind of like this diagonal line here is what it is, all right?
Yeah.
And they're asking for the slope of this line, right? Do you know how to calculate what the slope is?
Yes.
What is slope?
So all you have to do is you count. You want to go up how many it is, and then you how many it is.
Good. Yeah, exactly. Slope. So this is, we usually say this is like rise over run, but it's the same thing as, yeah, delta
Wow.
y over delta x. That's what they say. Yeah. So you're right. This delta y is calculating how much it goes up or down as you go to the right. So you're right. In this case, it goes up. Well, it looks like it goes up 2, right? See, this is 1, 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this case, well, okay, we have to pick 2 points. Like, all right, let's maybe pick this point and this point, right? So this one, it goes up 2. So I'm going to say this is up 2, okay? And then how much did it change in x when we went over?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 2 over 6. Good. So that slope is going to be equal to 1/3, which I think that's what you put here, right? Yeah, nice. Good, dude. Nice. Cool. All right, that's an easy one. Let me see this one down here. 2 right triangles.
Thanks.
What is the slope of CE? You can do slope stuff. Here, I'm going to ask you a little bonus question. Here, I'll give you an extra bond coin if you can do this bonus question. Is that cool? I'll give you 2. Yeah? Okay, awesome. All right. So, let's say, for instance, I have a line. Oh, first of all, do you know what slope-intercept form is for a line? Okay, I'm going to tell you real quick. This is what, like, the equation of a line is. We say y is equal to mx plus b. Have you seen this before yet?
No, we just started the unit.
Cool. You just started the unit. You're going to see this next. So this will help you out here, Trash Can, because, like, if you see something here and then you see it in your class tomorrow, you'll be like, oh, I remember seeing that on Twitch.
That's dope.
That's cool. You know, like, I'll understand it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot of times, what we're going to do is we're going to have some sort of line, okay, that's going to do some shit like this. And we're going to want to have an equation for this line. The equation tells us what the line looks like, okay? And so here, I'm going to label some points here real quick. Okay. Okay, cool. All right. And what they could say is they could be like, okay, Trash Can, what is the equation of this line? And it has to be in this form. This form means it kind of needs to look like this. So I'm gonna point out some things about this. Why this is called slope intercept. Okay. The reason why it's called slope intercept is because this thing right here, the thing in front of the x, this is called the slope, which you did before here, right?
Do you see how this is an M? Do you see how they even called it M? Oh, someone put baby voice on. Yeah, so do you see how that M there is the same here as M? That's a slope, okay? And then we have, where is it? Okay, we have this, B. This is called the y-intercept, okay? Have you seen that word before, y-intercept?
No.
Okay, do you know what an intercept is?
Yes.
Okay, what is an intercept?
Intercept. In your words, what do you think an intercept is?
When two things go.
Like hit each other,
go
right?
in like, yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Nice. So the y-intercept here, Trash Can, is telling me where on the y-axis does my line here hit. That's what the y-intercept is. Okay?
All right.
So in this case, right, where does this line hit the y-intercept?
6.
Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Yes. Yes. So that's 6. So the y-intercept. So this is gonna be 6. If you wanted to actually like label this as a point, right? This point right here would be 0, 6, right? Because you're going nowhere in x, but you're going up 6. Sensation Black says, is the letter used for the intercept important, or is it just insert letter here for variable? Yeah, it doesn't really matter what you call this, but a lot of times your teachers for slope intercept will use mx plus b. And so this is what they'll want. If you get into statistics, this is also called a linear regression. That's a fancy name for it. And they're going to write it in this form. They're going to say b0 plus, and then they're going to say, I think it's like b1x is what they're going to say. Yeah, it's always C here. That's interesting. Sensation Black, where are you from that they use C? Is that like Australia or something? I forget. We have some Australian people. Yeah, that's interesting. They use C. Okay, cool. The UK. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we use B in the US. I don't know. I don't know why. Yeah, B actually does sound kind of weird. C, I guess, sounds a little better, but okay. Okay, good. Okay, so Sensation. Sorry, not Sensation. Sorry. Trash Can. We already know, right? B is equal to 6. Okay, so the next thing we need to figure out is the slope. Do you know how to figure out what the slope of this graph is?
Yes.
Okay, how are we going to figure out the slope?
So it goes up 6, so that's the y, that's the rise.
Okay, so the rise is 6, yeah.
And then the run is 3, so it's 6 over 6, which is 1.
Good. All right, so close. So the run here, right? The run is 6, okay? But the important thing is here, Trash Can, the rise is -6. Do you see how this goes down, right? You always want to, if you're calculating the rise, this is very important, Trash Can. You want to go left to right and see whether it goes up or down, okay? So in this case, as we go left to right, we're going to go down. That means the rise is -6. But then, yeah, you had the right thing for the slope equation. The slope is then going to be
Wait,
-6.
So can the run ever be negative?
Yes. So, yeah, that's right. Well, it depends how you want to do it, okay? So, I could start, for instance, at this point. Let's say I started here, and I went in this direction, right? Do you see how here the run would be -6, but the rise would be +6?
Yeah.
But it's the same thing. So -6 over 6 is the same thing as 6 over -6. Doesn't matter if the negative's in the top or the bottom.
All right.
The important thing is you need to go from one point to another point. So if I go from this point to this point, the run is positive, but the rise is negative, right? If I go from this point to this point, the run is negative, but the rise is positive. It switches.
All right.
Cool. But good. You figure this out. The slope, right, is that, which is just -1. Nice. Good job. Okay, so now you can just plug this in for m right here. So what would your final equation be for your line? What would the final equation be?
Y equals -1x plus
Good.
6.
Plus 6. Yes, very nice, dude. Good job.
Nice.
Cool. Did that make more sense to you? You learned some shit about like lines and stuff? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect, dude. Yes, good. So I hope this helped you out with finding slopes and lines and whatnot. If you ever get into other stuff, math-wise, trash can, again, you can just come on the Twitch stream here and like I'll explain it to you, and I'll also explain what the next thing is that you need to do, so that like you'll be super ready for class. When you're gonna come into class tomorrow, everyone's gonna be like, "Oh damn, that guy's smart. How the fuck does he know all this?" And you'll be like, "Twitch, bitch." All right, there you go. Nice. And then you get 2 bond coins for that. Awesome. You're up to 7. Sick. Oh, and I'll process your referral credits later today. So we'll get you up to 10. All right, nice.
Wow, you're doing.
What's up? What's up, Ethan? What's up, Ethan?
You're doing the referral credits later today.
I'll do them later today. I'll do all the referral credits later. Bum, 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 bum.
No, fine.
Okay, cool. All right, we got a bunch of stuff going on. Let me see who else is asking a question that has never asked a question before. That's what I always want to go for first.
What about
Mimi test help.
Adarsh?
Adarsh, have I ever worked with Adarsh? Adarsh, have we ever worked together? Have I ever helped you out? I don't think so.
Okay, we're looking for the us bonus questions, huh?
Yeah. Adarsh, no, cool. Here,
Like-
we're gonna help Adarsh out with his question. You know, we help out people who haven't done things first, and then we'll help out everyone else. You know, don't worry, I will get to everyone today.
Yeah, but I know, but then like what? You actually gave him a chance to do a bonus question to answer?
Oh, yes, yeah, I gave him a bonus. Yeah, I do that sometimes. I do sometimes do bonus questions. Yeah, depending on like
Can you
What's up?
do one for me sometimes?
I think I have done for you in the past. I do them every once in a while. It's kind of like it's like at my discretion. Yeah, don't worry. You can't ask for them.
You did.
You can't ask for bonuses. Bonuses are given out. That's because like I wanted Trash Can to learn something new, and like he did, so I gave him a bonus. Okay. Adarsh, what's up? Which one do you need help with, dog? Which one, dude? Which one? Also, it's probably faster, Adarsh, if you chat in the Discord office hours. Try doing that. Here, I'll tag you in it. You know where it is. This channel. 1 and 2. Okay, cool. All right. Okay. This is not too bad. So they want to know what the solution is to this. Okay, cool. All right. So, what's the first step here, Darsh? How do I solve for this? This is algebra, right? This is algebra. How do we solve for it?
Hey, this looks like a little thing like called linear equations, I think.
Good. This is called a linear equation. Yeah. Adarsh says, wait, what? Yeah, 1 and 2, right? You need help with these two? Is that what you need, Adarsh?
Yeah. I mean, I could kind of help him, but could I at least help him for a little bit here?
Yeah, sure. Help him out for a little bit. Okay, help him out. I always love
basically-
students helping out other students. That's great. Yeah.
All right. So basically, Adarsh, what's happening here is a linear equation has one unknown variable.
Good.
So in number 1, there is an n there.
Good.
And basically what you do is you have to get the n's all on one side. So
Good,
let's
very
say, for
good.
example, so let's say if you want to make the 8 and then the -2n on the other side, you basically switch them around, but then the signs change. So
Good.
you say that the positive 8n is -8n, and then the -2n is the positive 2n.
Good. Yeah, he's subtracting 8n. He's adding 2n to this side as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, this goes away. What's left then? Uh-oh. It's 2 right. Let's see, where's Adarsh? Yes. Yeah. What's up, Ethan? You got it?
Yeah. Were you calling me or something?
No. I was just. This is good. This is a good start, right? So we're gonna subtract 8n and add 2n. Here's another thing you could have done. So Ethan, you're almost correct with everything. Some key things here. This is a linear equation because it has one variable, but even more so, what makes it linear is that, do you see how there's no exponents on anything?
That's true.
If you have exponents on this, then it's no longer linear. Linear things only have no exponents on any of the ends. Okay.
Okay.
So the thing I would do here is
You know,
I would have combined this first, Ethan. Do you see how I can combine 8n minus 2n? What's that?
8n minus 2n, that's 6n then.
Yeah, so let's combine this right off the bat. Okay, so we have 2 plus 6n is equal to, and what? Okay, can we combine these? 8n minus n. What's that?
That's 7n, right?
Yeah, 7n. Good. Okay. Dude, everyone's making me hydrate today. Y'all making me thirsty, dude. Okay.
Not for about hydrated, because you're drinking a lot of water.
I gotta drink a lot of water. Maybe I'll make it like beer at some point. Y'all can like see me get drunk on stream or something. Okay, what do I do next here? What's the next thing? What's the next thing we do, Ethan?
Fine, then we can let either one go to the next side. So I would take the 6 and put it to the other side.
Good. I'm gonna minus 6n. I'm a minus 6n. Good. So that leaves me with 2
And then there's
equals
just-
1n. Right. So what's
And
that?
then my teacher always said something. We are
What is
not
it?
solving for 1n or
Good.
whatever.
We're not solving for 1n.
Solving for just n.
Good. Yeah. Well, 1 times
So-
n
and
is
so
the same thing
basically
as just
you put
n.
it to a- Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're basically like the
Basically dividing both sides by 1, right? Uh-huh. Yeah. It's just you get n equals 2. So that's it. That's the answer.
Yeah, and then like yeah.
Yeah, it's just n equals 2. Yeah, good. Nice. Okay.
Then he will have to solve it, right?
No, that's it. That's done. That's it. That's it. This is the answer. N is equal to 2.
I see that B is 2.
Yes, B. Yeah, 2. 2 means this is just 2. Yeah. Yep. Let me see if there's one that has no solution in here. Oh, these all have solutions. I wanted one that has no solution because that's kind of a fun one. Yeah, here's some cool stuff here.
Honestly, maybe you could just give him one. Maybe give him one with no solution.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him one. Yeah, let me do one right here. Let's say we have 3x minus 14 is equal to 5x minus, and then let's say minus, okay, here we go, minus 2x plus 7, okay? Ooh, this is a good one. This is a challenge one. Adarsh, how do you do this? Adarsh, you got to do this one.
I never actually saw anything like that, but
I know,
still
right?
would know how to solve it, I think.
Okay, good. Well, let's see. I want Adarsh to answer some of it because if it's his question, he's gotta go through it. I appreciate you going through it, Ethan. That's good. But like, let's. Good luck, Shaq, dude. Hope you do well in your tournament. Shaq's always playing Fortnite tournaments. Good luck, bro. Adarsh. To get a bond coin, you have to answer this question. Yeah, you have to show me you know how to do this. Can't just say like do the homework question. There we go. There's a Darsh. What's up? Ethan, mute yourself real quick. All right, I'll do it for
Oh,
you.
okay, hold on.
You got it. Okay, cool. Darsh. All right, Darsh. How do we do this one?
First, you like distribute -2 to the x and plus
Good.
7.
Good. Okay. So what does that give me?
So then it will give me 5x minus
Minus what?
minus 2x minus 7.
Close. The 2 distributes to both. Right? So it's minus 2x minus 2 times 7. Right?
Oh. So it would be -14.
Good. All right. And then equals this. Right?
So then 3x equals -14.
Oh, this. Right? This becomes 3x. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you get 3x minus 14 equals 3x minus 14. Do you know what happens when you get to this point?
Yeah, so you like try to minus both sides by 3x, which would make
Uh-huh.
like no x. So it will equal -14 equals -14, which is like nothing.
Well, no, that is something. Okay. This,
It's
okay.
just like, is it
yeah.
like all real numbers?
Yes. Yes. If the final statement you get is something that's true, this is called all solutions exist. Or I would say like many solutions. Many solutions. You can say many solutions, or you can also say all real x. You see how they do this fancy R, right? Or you could say that x is contained in all real numbers. This is the proper math way to say that x could be anything, okay? If this was slightly different, though, Adarsh, let's say instead of it coming out to be 3x minus 14, let's say, for instance, I changed this to be like a 5. So this was 3x minus 5, okay? Or this would be, sorry, minus 10, right? If I get to here, what do I say?
You say no solution because like it's well,
Good, because this is not a true statement, right? So this means no solutions. Nice, dude. Good. All right. You know some shit. Good job. Add a bond coin to a Darsh. Nice. Almost a 10, bro. Good shit. Yeah, dude, if you ever have, like, stuff you're going through math and it's getting, like, kind of complicated, hop on the stream. Let me help you out. I got you, dude.
okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, dude.
Everywhere.
Yeah, see? That's what we do. We get the students to inflate many, dude. What is Teacup doing with all this? What's Teacup doing with all this text, dude? How do you do the strike through text, Teacup? That's pretty cool. Oh, you do that? Really? Let me see. This is a test. No, fuck, I can't do it. Oh, okay, wait, and then how do you guys do the spoiler thing? How do you guys do spoiler? Oh. I like that, dude. What? Oh, that's super cool. Alright, I learned things about Discord today. Oh yeah, wow. Yeah, that's even cooler, dude. Alright. Let's see. Who else we got? Who we got? Alright. Ethan, I'll do you next because you're here. And then Bob, I'll do you next up. Is that cool?
I don't know.
Alright, what's up, Ethan? We're doing quadrilaterals? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, but then like remember that one I sent you?
Yeah, the one with the diagonals, dude. I got messed up on that one. And then like we accidentally like stepped upon cam girls.
No. I didn't. No, it wasn't that. It wasn't that. Okay, it was not that. It wasn't. It wasn't the It wasn't the previous question. I was talking about the one today.
Oh, what about that? What was wrong? Was that one hard?
Yeah.
Did you want to go over that one instead?
No, it wasn't. No, that is fine, maybe. But
Okay.
then like,
What's up,
I didn't
Shifter?
understand what you meant by a puff make method or whatever.
Pythagorean theorem. Oh, you do that.
But then like, I don't think you actually understood the topic.
Here, you want me to pull it up? I'll pull up the question real quick so I can show people what you asked me. It was.
Yeah, but then like did you actually understand what I was trying to say?
Yeah,
Like,
you were
I
saying
didn't tell
you were
the
saying
topic.
you were saying you measure it with like literally with a ruler. Right?
You know, did you not know the topic I was trying to do?
No. Well, it says plotting points.
Oh,
And- I understand that you're plotting points. Yeah, that I do understand.
No, there's something at the top there that says relation.
Where does it say relation?
It says relation functions and graph. That's what it's called.
Okay. Are you calculating like the distance between points? Is that what you're doing? That's like with functions.
Yeah,
and stuff.
and on that graph paper, I was actually using the lines for centimeters to measure it.
Yes, you can do that. What's up, chicken butt? God damn it, Shifter. That's a Jack joke. Jack used to say that all the time with us. We miss Jack. Where is Jack? We're playing Warzone today. Where's Jack, dude? Jack loves Warzone. Okay, cool. All right.
I still can't figure out what.
Okay, so this is the question we were talking about, right? You were graphing. They wanted you to graph. Here, let me make this a little bit smaller. They wanted you to graph this. What is this called? It's a rectangle, is what it is. But yeah.
Yes, I literally got confused as if it was a square because
No.
I did research and I'm like, no, hold on. Let me say this.
What's up?
Research, right? And I'm like, wait, doesn't a square have 4 equal sides? And I'm looking at this. The top and bottom have 7 centimeters, and the left and
Yes.
right have 9. So there's no way this is a square. It's a rectangle.
Yes, good. This is a rectangle, right? Yes. The reason being, right, because this one has a distance of 6, and this one has a distance of 7, right? Squares have
I feel
equal
like
sides.
Hold on. I feel like it's 7 if you count the A and B there.
Yeah. Well, okay, so from here, you're going from the point 2, and then here you're going to the point 8, right? This is 2, 9, and this is 8, 9, right? So they have the same y value, but the difference in x, right, that's a difference of 6. That's why this has a length of 6.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And then the same thing here, right? This is 2, 1, right? Same x values, but the y values have a difference. Oh, this is 8, actually. My bad. I fucked this up. Oh, no. Oh, no, I really fucked that up. Okay, there we go. Wait, it's 2, 9, and 2, 1. Oh, so this is not 7, dude. This is a distance of 8, dude. This is 8. I read that wrong. Do you see that?
It was 9.
Well, no, because it's going from 1 to 9. What's the difference from 1 to 9? How far is that?
8.
8. Good. So it's distance of 8. Okay, cool. All right. So the next thing they wanted you to answer right was this. They want this length, right? They want the diagonal.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna teach you something. This is called the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, which is something that you will need to do eventually. All right. So this is why we're learning it. This is 6. This is 8. And I want to know what this distance is. Fuck, can I draw today? We're going to call this C. Okay, I'm going to call this C. All right. This is a special type of triangle, Ethan, that we call a right triangle. The reason why it's a right triangle is because one of the angles in the triangle is 90 degrees. You know what 90 degrees is?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah,
Perfect.
I know.
Good. Okay.
Like when you're turning, it's like when you're turning right. Okay.
Yes, when you're turning, yeah, like directly, like perpendicular. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, so here's what the Pythagorean theorem says. If I have two sides, which we're gonna call A and B, and then I have, this is called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the longest side, and it's the diagonal side. Okay. There's a relation between these sides, namely that A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared.
All right.
Okay, so let's look at our equation here, right? What's A
What's A?
in this triangle?
I can see that A.
Which one?
6.
Yes. So I'm going to say 6 squared plus, all right, then what's B?
A squared. Or the same.
8 squared, right? B is 8, right?
Alright.
Okay, does that make sense? Tell me if it doesn't make sense. You gotta let me know if it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it actually does make sense. I kind of get where this is going.
Good. Okay. Equals to C squared. I don't know what C is. Do you see how I'm going to solve for C? Oh no. What is C? Okay. So we can do math here. All right. What is 6 squared?
6 squared is 36.
Good. 6. What's 8 squared?
80. Hold on, not 80. Hold on. 64. 64.
64, good. Okay, equals c squared. Do you know what 36 plus 64 is?
100.
100 equals c squared. How do we solve for c?
Do you divide by c?
Not quite. Okay, this is c to an exponent. If I want to get rid of the exponent, right? How do I get rid of an exponent?
Do you subtract c? Then?
No.
Or-
So I'm gonna tell you, this is the trick: is anytime you have something squared, to get rid of it, you square root both sides. Yes, Bob. Nice, Bob. Okay. Have you seen this before, Ethan? Have you seen the square root?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So that tells me c is equal to the square root of 100. So what is c equal to?
C is equal to the square root of c squared or something.
Yeah. Okay, here's a good question. Do you know how square roots work? Like, for instance, if I say the square root of 36, do you know what that is?
6.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very good, KB. Yeah, very good, OP. So this is equal to 6, Ethan, because what the square root is asking is what times itself gets me 36.
All right.
Do you see that? Okay, good. Yeah. So, the square root of 100, what times itself gets me 100?
And
Yeah.
Let me think.
You got it,
10.
Ethan.
I know what.
Yeah, it's 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Good job, guys.
And so that's c squared.
That's c. So that's the length of our hypotenuse. So, yeah. So that's what the length of this diagonal is, Ethan. This diagonal has a length of 10. Cool? Okay, cool. All right. All right. Let me show some quick things as well. Ethan, mute your mic real quick because the Twitch is like blaring through. Thanks. Okay. Some other things I want to show to Bob and OP here real quick. Okay. Do you see how we had like c squared was equal to 100, and I wanted to get rid of the squared here, OP, right? And so what we did is we square rooted both sides. There's another way to represent what its square root is. The square root of something is the same thing as saying something to the 1/2 power. It's like raised to an exponent, okay? So here's what happens. When I want to get rid of this 2 up here, what I can do is I can raise both sides to the 1/2, okay? Have you seen this before, OP? Have you seen exponents raised to exponents?
no.
Okay. Well, here's a little trick. If you have something to an exponent and then you raise it to another exponent, what you do is you multiply these 2 exponents together, okay? So this is the same thing.
Times a half.
Good. What's 2 times a half?
Not 1.
1. So this is just c to the
Wow,
1.
I just completely guessed that.
No, you're good, dude. Well, 2 times a half is 1, right? 2 halves is 1. So yeah, this is just c to the 1. What's anything to the 1 power?
Self.
Itself. Good. This is just c, right? So this is why c, in this case, is now 100 to the 1/2, which, again, if you wanted to, like, put that in a calculator, you could, okay? I could say, okay, what is 100 to the 1/2 power, right? You see how we're going to do this? And it's going to give me the same thing as if I did the square root of 100. Square root of 100 is also 10, right? You see how that works?
Yeah.
Pretty cool shit.
Oh well. You just told me something new today.
I'm glad I did. Yeah. Yes. The other key thing I want to show you guys here is you've seen the Pythagorean theorem before, OP, right? You've seen a squared plus b squared equals c squared?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay.
Never solved it before.
Okay, never solved it before. Okay, did you see how this was 6, 8, 10? Do you see that? How that worked out? Those are nice numbers, right? They're not always going to be nice numbers, but there's what's called Pythagorean triples, okay, which are special combinations of numbers that work out to a squared plus b squared equals c squared, okay? And you'll notice this on your tests because teachers are lazy and, like, they don't want to have to write complicated things. So they're going to use ones that, like, fit the Pythagorean theorem really nicely. The ones you want to know, and these are, if you know these will help you out so much, is 3, 4, 5, and 5, 12, 13. Just please remember these. That's all you got to remember. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13. You'll see them over and over and over again. Okay? Because look what
I
happens.
just took a screenshot of that.
Good. Look what happens if I do 3 squared plus 4 squared. What is this? 3 squared is what?
3,
9. Good. 9. What's 4 squared?
16.
Good. Good, guys. Okay, 9 plus 16 is what?
I don't know. That one I don't know.
9 plus 16? 9 plus 16 is just 25, right?
Yeah.
Do you see how that's the same thing as 5 squared?
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
25.
So do you see 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared? So if you see a triangle, and let's say it's 5 here and it's 3 here, what is this side going to be?
4.
4. Good. You don't even have to do the Pythagorean theorem. You can just be like, oh, it's a 3, 4, 5. Okay? The other cool thing about this is that the multiples of these also work. So if I multiply everything by 2, right? Do you see how this was 6, 8, 10?
Yes.
Which is the same triangle, right, that Ethan had. Ethan, this is the same triangle you had. You see how you had 6, 8, 10?
Oh, wow. That's actually smart. That's actually smart.
Right? So this is another way. If you see anything that's a multiple of these, 6, 8, 10, what would be the next multiple?
You could do 3 times 3.
Good. So
3
9,
times 4.
12,
And,
15.
12,
Right?
15.
Yeah. These are also ones that work. This works because 9 squared plus 12 squared, these are big numbers. This is going to be 81. This is going to be 144. And
Why
together...
are you doing this all in your head?
together, this hits 225. And 15 squared is 225. That's how this works. Yeah. Yeah, so these are good ones to know. And the same things with this. 10, 24, 26, okay? So in reality, all you need to memorize or just remember are these two. And then everything else comes down as like a multiple of it. Cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Awesome, dude.
It's so funny how you teaching me all this stuff, but I just started algebra today.
Yeah.
Even though I know algebra, I've been doing it, but like my teacher haven't taught me yet.
Yeah, well, that's okay.
Answer my question.
That's okay. It's like so what the whole point of this stream is I help you with stuff you're working through, and I also show you stuff you haven't seen yet, because this will help you out when you get to it later. You'll be like, oh, I've already seen it before, you know? Isn't it a lot easier to like drive to your friend's house if you've already been to your friend's house once? If you've never been to your friend's house, you don't know where the fuck to go, right? But if you've been to your friend's house, you're like, oh, I kind of know how to get there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing, dude.
What's the question? Help me answer it.
Oh, sure, yeah. Here, yeah. I gave you a bond coin for this one because I liked you working with it, but here, I'll do this one real quick, and then Bob, we'll do your question next, okay? All right. Where is this pasting? Okay, solve for this. You know how to do this. Oh, come on, dude.
3.5 or something like that.
It is 3.5, but there's a right way to do this, okay? The whole goal in algebra, OP Black, is to always just try to get the variable by itself, okay?
So I did 7 minus 2x equals 0.
Good.
Just simplify that into 7 equals 2x.
Good. So what you did is you added 2x to both sides, right? 7 equals 2x. Yeah, Teacup, I'll ping you, dude. And then what do you do next?
Then that means x would be equals to 7.
You're gonna divide both sides by 2, right?
Over 2.
Good.
Yeah.
7
over 2.
Which is the same thing as what?
2.5 or 3.5.
3.5. Yes, dude. Good job.
I did the right way, right?
Yeah, that's the right way to do it. Yeah, if you ever get like confused on like how this works, I also have. Do you use? Oh wait, is TikTok banned in India? I feel like TikTok is banned in India, isn't it?
No.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
In the United States, don't forget.
Yeah, I forget. You're in the U.S.
When you're...
I'll fuck with you. Okay. But have you been to my TikTok before?
Yeah, I've been.
Okay. I have videos where I go over things, and this is a good one. This is how you solve for x in algebra, and it teaches you like how to do it like empirically and whatnot. Empirically means like methodically, like through a method. Because what can happen is they can get. Do you see how this is way more complicated than what you're working with in your yes. So, but if you learn the method, it'll work for everything else. OP. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's the
I
fourth
feel
mod.
like I feel like I've seen a TikTok.
I hope you have, dude. I've released this one. This time last year, 2022, 131. Yeah, that's exactly last year. It was yesterday, last year. That's cool. Yeah, how many likes? How many views does this one have? This one has 11.5K. I need to get back up, dude. I was hitting like, dude. This I hit like 316K on. I hit big on this one. And this one's doing okay, 25.
You sent this to me for one of those kudu things. If you
I
remember.
did. I did send you one of these for kudu questions. Yeah. Oh, dude, we're almost at 10K followers, dude. Look at that, 9894, almost at 10,000. That's cool.
I could get you some free followers.
Yeah, right. Well, dude, every time I post a video, I get thousands of followers. I need to put another video out. It's been like 2 weeks.
I don't want to give my friends the link to this server because when they join, they're going to be getting more points. Like I have this one friend, he could get points, like 10 points every day for invites.
Yeah. Well, that's fine. I may start limiting the invite stuff. Like, like if people are just like abusing the invite system, then like, yeah, I can.
Yeah, sure.
But do you see OP Black how there's always the requirement that you at least have to get on the stream and ask a math question? That tends to weed out a lot of people. A lot of people won't do that, and so that's how
my friend, the friend I'm talking about, like OP Lorena, he's kind of shy and he doesn't do it.
Yeah, what's up, right, P Law?
My friend, the one I say,
yeah.
He isn't shy of anything. He will literally get on the street.
Oh, awesome.
Ask you an easy question that he know just to get the point.
That's fine because you know what happens when someone gets on the stream and asks me an easy question? Do you know what I do next?
Ask them a harder question.
I give them a harder question. Yeah, and I can go as hard as I want. Like, so if someone tries to ask me an easy question, I can instantly get them something very hard that they've never done, and then like I'll teach them and they'll learn something.
That kid is also smart.
Good.
I hate
yeah.
the fact that I say that. He's very smart.
I would love to challenge this kid because I mean I have a PhD in physics. I'm like decently smart,
Okay, I'm gonna invite him.
Invite him, dude, please. Yeah, this is all about I'm helping people that don't know things, but in other situations like Teacup, for example, Teacup asks like ridiculously hard questions because his stuff in his class right now is too easy for him. Like he knows how to do everything, so. I teach him.
That applies for me too.
Good. Then this is a perfect example of where like I can teach you harder things.
Find the exact value.
Yeah, okay. What's up, Bob? Bob, you here? Where's Bob?
Yeah,
Bob. What's up, dude? All right, let's get you an A. This is high school, I think. AP Calculus, right, Bob?
I think this is like a review of pre-calc.
Oh, it's a review of pre-calc. Okay. Oh, yeah, this isn't too bad. Okay, cool. All right, find the exact value of each expression. Okay, it's a good one.
I'm really struggling with the last one.
Oh, this one? Ah, okay. This is the same thing here, right? This is tangent. Arc sine is the same thing as sine -1 of 1/2, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right, I'm
That one
gonna.
has an easier value.
Pardon?
That one has like an easier value.
Yes, you're right. Okay. All right. I get it. You see the 1/2 and you're like, oh, I already know what angle that is, right? Sine of 1/2 is what is that? 30 degrees, right? Pi over 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll show you how you do this. Okay. So, cosine inverse of 4/5. What this is telling me is, or what it's asking me is like, this is what angle theta when I take the cosine of theta, I get 4/5. Okay? That's what inverse cosine. Okay, and the reason why this works, like, do you see how, like, if I do cosine of inverse cosine, right? This would just give me 4/5. Like, this is an angle such that when I take the cosine of it, I get 4/5. That's what it means. Inverses work the same way. Like, you remember if I have like 3 times 3 inverse? What is this? What is this, Bob? What if I do 3 times 3 inverse? What's that?
1.
Good. Because 3 inverse is the same thing as 1/3, and so when they multiply by each other, you get 3/3, which just gets 1. This is the cool thing about inverses. Inverses they annihilate each other. This is like what Nick was asking about antimatter and matter. Like if matter and antimatter get close to each other, it's just like they annihilate each other. It's the same thing with inverse functions. If you take the inverse function of a function, you get the argument back. But okay. All right. So this is what angle. When I take the cosine of theta, I get 4/5. How you start these ones, Bob, is you draw a triangle. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna label this angle theta. Okay. And what I know is that the cosine of theta is equal to 4/5.
Uh-huh.
The reason I know that is because, again, if I did cosine of cosine inverse of 4/5, right?
Uh-huh.
So yeah, this is actually cool. So cosine inverse of 4/5 is an angle theta, right? Inverse cosines give you angles, right? If I take the cosine of both sides, that tells me that 4/5 is equal to the cosine of theta. Do you see how like these annihilate? Oh, thank you. Someone's making me drink water again. Thank you, Ethan. Cheers. Okay. All right. So the cosine of theta equals 4/5. This is my triangle. Okay. What is cosine? Whatever what?
Cosine is. I'm not sure.
Okay. This is the whole SOHCAHTOA.
Oh.
Gotta remember this.
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
Good. This is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay. Which we know is equal to 4/5. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So on my triangle here, right? Where's the adjacent?
The adjacent is on the bottom.
Bottom, good. So this is going to be 4. Where's my hypotenuse?
The diagonal line.
Diagonal line. There, good. Okay. So this is my triangle, right? But then I want to know what the sine of that angle is, right? So this is my triangle, and I want to know what the sine of theta is, okay? Sine is what? Whatever what?
Opposite over hypotenuse.
Good. Cool. Which, let's see, what do I know? I don't know the opposite yet, right? But I do know the hypotenuse, right? What's the hypotenuse?
5.
Okay. Here we go. How do you think I'm going to find the opposite? What is it going to be?
Do I plug it into the... Oh, it's the Pythagorean theorem triplet.
It's a triplet. Yes, yes. Do you see how everything is related, dude? This is a Pythagorean triple, right? This is 3, 4, 5. That's how I told. This is why, like, again, your teacher doesn't want you to like actually grade like hard things and whatnot. They want easy, nice numbers, right? You should always be looking for this in like homework and test questions. Is like this needs to be easy to grade, right? So yes, we know that this side, right, is going to be 3 because that makes a 3, 4, 5, right? Cool. So right, the sine of this is then going to be 3 over 5, right? So yeah, this whole answer is just 3 over 5.
Oh, okay, I see.
See how that works? Dope, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Okay, let me show you something slightly harder, Bob, real quick. Let's say I want the sine of arctangent of 2. Do you know how to do this one?
No.
No? Okay. Well, let's try to think about it, right? What do I need to do first, right? I need to get this as an angle, right? What's the process?
Quadrant 3.
Quadrant 3? No, not quite.
Quadrant 1.
It is quadrant 1. It could be quadrant 3, but I think tangent's defined in these quadrants, if I'm not mistaken. I forget. I forget if it's these ones or these ones. Arctangent is. The main thing is you wanna draw this, right, as a triangle, right? This is always, anytime you see like arc whatever, like draw your triangle first, and that'll help you out, okay? This is some angle, right, where tangent of that angle is equal to 2. What is tangent? Whatever what?
SOHCAHTOA. Opposite over adjacent.
Good, that's opposite over adjacent, right? So what am I going to draw on my triangle?
The opposite and the adjacent.
Good, what's the opposite going to be?
Vertical line.
Yeah, that's going to be what? You see how this is tricky because you have just one number here and you're like, oh shit, what do I do?
2.
Good, that's going to be 2. What's the adjacent going to be?
1.
1. Yeah, this is the same thing as 2 over 1. That's what I wanted you to get across, okay? And then yes, if you needed to get the hypotenuse then, right? Then you got to do the Pythagorean theorem. You got to do 1 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. So this ends up being the square root of 5, right?
Uh-huh.
So then the sine is opposite of our hypotenuse, right? So this is going to be equal to 2 over the square root of 5, which you can rationalize. Remember how to rationalize, right? This is going to be 2 square root of 5 over 5, right? And that's going to be your final answer.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Dope, dude.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Someone asks, when is the stream going to end? Never. We're going to stream forever. Actually, I do have to go to the gym with A-Rod in an hour, so I do have to go to the gym eventually. Quad Dingle, if you ask your question. Ask your question, dude. Ask your question nowish, and I'll get to it, Quad. There's
I need to look for one.
What's up, Quant? Yeah, find your question. I gotta help out some other people real quick, but I'll get to yours. Don't worry. I will not leave until I help you. Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome, dude. All right. Let's see who else is in the help. We got Bob, Trash Can, Weeps. Is Weeps here? Is Weeps in the chat?
Yeah. I want to say something.
What's up? What do you want to say, dude? You can always say things. What's up, dude?
Honestly, I feel like it's fun helping people.
Yeah. You feel like this has been helping people? Is that what you said?
Hello?
Yes, Ethan. What's up, dude? Is your mic okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, what'd you say? What did you say about helping people?
Yes. Yeah, I feel like it's a bit fun helping people, you know?
Yes, dude.
It is.
It is fun helping people. 100%. That's why I do this shit. Because I like helping people.
Gold, can I help solve this? This kind of easy.
Yeah, you can help solve it, OP. What's up? This is Shifter. Let me see. Shifter, you're in the chat, right? Shifter, what's up? This is your question, dude. Shifter. Shifter wants to play Warzone. I know Shifter wants to play Warzone. Shifter's good at Warzone. Wait, let's make sure Shifter like pops up at some point. Where is he? Oh, he's here. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, all right, cool. All right, OP, you want to explain this one to Shifter? You can explain it to Shifter.
So these are ratios, right?
Good. These are ratios. What are ratios?
And the ratios are like two things. They're like fractions, but like they're comparing one quantity to another quantity or something like that.
Good. Yes. Yeah. They compare ratios. Yeah, they're fractions. Like that's why we say like rational expressions are really just fractions.
Yeah.
Go on.
And this problem is acting for the unit rate. So
Good.
in order to do that, so 40 meters in
Good.
50 seconds.
40 meters in 50 seconds. Yeah. So how do we do that as a ratio? That's what to what?
50 to 40 or 40 to 50.
40 to 50. Do you see how the ratio is meters 2 seconds, right? That's 40
yeah,
meters
it's,
to 50 seconds. Okay. We could also write this though, like because it good divide. We could write this as a ratio, which means something divided by something, right? I could write this as 40 meters divided by 50 seconds. Do we see how that's also a ratio? It's a rate.
Or you could use like the colon or stuff like. The colon.
What do you mean the colon?
There's two.
Oh, the colon. Yeah. You could also you can also instead of this thing you can put like this, right? Yeah. But no one really uses that. This is honestly the way people do things, but here's another thing. Oh, Jesus, that's loud. We can simplify this. How do we simplify this?
40 they're both multiples of 10, so you could divide them by 10.
Good.
You could just multiply both.
You could divide both by 10. You could divide both by 10 is what you could do. Here's another trick, guys. If you have something where you have the same amount of zeros afterwards, you can just cancel the zeros out. You just do that. You see that?
That's smart.
This is the smarter way to do it, right? So this is just going to be 4 over 5, and then this is going to be meters per second. This is the shorthand for it, meters per second. If this, for instance, was like miles per hour, have you guys ever seen like MPH, right?
Yeah.
This is the same thing as miles. Good. You see all the time on the signs? Yeah. That's also a rate. That's how many miles per hour. Miles divided by hours. That's what that is.
So in
Cool.
order to turn the 4/5 into like, so it's asking for the second. So
No, this is
you
okay.
gotta create an equation.
No, this is fine. No, this is fine. 4/5 meters per second. This is what the ratio is.
You could
That-
say that.
Yeah, you can just say 4/5 ratio second. Important lesson. Burrito is to
say no.
bean. Taco is to no bean.
The rate per second. They're asking per second. In 1 second, how many meters is the person train or whatever?
Oh, in 1 second? Oh, in 1 second they would move 4/5 of a meter. Do you see how that would
That
happen?
makes sense.
If I multiplied by
that's true.
1 second, do you see how this second would cancel with the seconds here, and we would just get 4/5 of a meter? This is also how units cancel. It's a very important thing. I'll do something else with this. This is stoichiometry, but yeah, that's good. That was a good explanation, OP Black. I appreciate that.
Oh yeah, I got a question.
What's up, dude?
You see the tier ones price thing?
What's up? What's up with the tier 1 price?
Do we get like Robux? We could buy Robux off that?
Yeah, you can get
Or
Robux. You can get whatever you want. Yeah, as long as it's a video game
How
thing.
many Robux?
Whatever. I think it's like 800, 700, whatever the $10 gift card is.
Okay, nice price.
Yeah, it's a nice prize. Yeah, and then if you get to if you get
All on
if you get to
Bloxroot.
tier 2, you get the $20 prize of Robux, which I think is like correct me if I'm wrong. It's like 1,500 or something. What is it?
I'ma spend all of it on Bloxroot. Trust me.
Yeah, please
all
spend
of
it on Bloxfruit. Yeah, dude, we still have the private server. Apparently, Pug has been using it to grind like crazy. Let me see what the $20 gift card is for. Yeah, he apparently has been like using it to get to level like 2,000 or something. How many Robux is $20? Did I not tell you? No. Oh, that's weird. Okay.
No, it'd be like
Wouldn't it be like 1,400 or something? I feel like there's a bonus to it, right? Isn't there? $20 gift card. I've bought these so many times. Oh, okay, whatever. It's some amount. Okay, cool.
Hey, I wanna ask something.
What's up, Ethan? What's up? I gotta do. Who am I doing? I'm gonna do teacups and KP Jetty. What's up?
Hey, when will the next tournament actually start?
Next tournament? Soon. I need to get prizes together for it. I want to make sure we got some dope prizes, but also I need to pay my rent. So I'm working on getting some sponsors to pay for the prizes.
Yeah, we can understand.
Yeah, it's okay.
Didn't
Yeah,
you just go to a conference like last week.
I did.
with
I did.
The president of Fortnite or something like that.
He did. Yeah, he did, and he emailed me. So I need to email him back. He's at another conference this week, but yeah, I want to talk with him to see
Tell
how
him
we
to-
could maybe get some cool
tell you to
prizes.
send him mad prizes. He's
Mad
gonna send it
prizes.
to you
Yeah,
easily.
right. Yeah, right. Wouldn't that be fun? That would be fun. Yeah, I want to do that eventually. This is my code. Oh, you guys have. Oh, this is cool. One sec. You guys are all doing. What's this visual coding? What is this shit? This looks pretty cool. Moving code. What program? Jesus. Oh my god. I can't even like read this. What is this? Oh, it's okay. It's okay, Shifter. I think I gave you a bond coin anyways. You're good. It's on the recording though too. We'll go over it.
Bob
this is
isn't here. I gotta ask him a question. How he got 70 coins?
because he's been here for a while. He asks questions all the time. He can redeem it. So once you get 60, you can get tier 3, which is I buy you any video game. Which I just bought Sam Escape from Tarkov. I bought him that. But I guess Bob's probably waiting for a better game to come out.
I'm probably going to think of the most expensive game for you to buy.
No, don't think of that. There's a limit. It has to.
It's $60.
It has to be under $60. Yeah, this is why like for the longest time kids couldn't get Modern Warfare 2 because it was 70. Because
Well, I'm kind of mad at now. You basically can't get any Xbox or PlayStation games anymore. Because they're all like.
That's what we had to say.
they're all $70. Is that real? Are they all $70 now?
No, most of the like exclusives and stuff are all $70 now on the store.
It's so funny
Really?
how
That's whack,
video
dude.
games started free, then they started rising prices because people used to play a lot now. Used to be free, all of it.
Well, a lot of the stuff is still free. Like Fortnite's still free. All the other games are still free. It's
Fortnite will always be free.
Well,
As long as
Fortnite didn't start out
consider-
as free though, right? Fortnite started out as like Save the World or something, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, Save the World was the only part like you had to pay. The other parts, it was free. like battle royale and stuff like that. Creative.
Yeah,
that
well,
was free. But
well,
Save the
battle
World, you
royale is
have
what
to
like
buy.
is what like really took off, and then like they were like home free. Yeah, Fortnite had a disc you could buy. Yeah, it used to be. Okay. Teacup. What is this
Oh my
question?
God, Matrix.
What is this question, Teacup?
That's an equation, bro.
He said that this was something about a test, and honestly,
Yeah,
this
why
doesn't
not?
even look like something like a test.
Do you have a test over this? You don't have a test over this. I doubt you have a test over
I
this.
do though.
Okay. I'm gonna
Not
make some.
exactly on something that complicated.
Yeah, I'm
but
gonna
I
do
do
something a
have
little bit less complicated. Just cause.
I have a test on that subject like next
Okay.
class, I
So wait, solving a let's say like a 3-part systems of equations.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, let's do it.
See, I actually asked a what-if question this time.
You did actually.
And guess what? Tomorrow, I mean on Friday, I'm gonna ask something about null space.
Null space, dude. Null space. Okay, here we go. All right, let's try to do this one. This is actually a good question. Okay, how would I do this? How do I solve a systems of equation like this?
So we want to, let's say we would grab like what we solve for one. No, but why is there a z? Why is there a z?
It's 3 parts. It's three equations, dude.
There's an x and y. Why is there a z?
There's a z. This is a 3-parter. This is more than this is a 3-part systems of equations is what it is. There are 3 variables to solve for. So here's actually the rule in algebra.
So we would,
The amount of unknown things you have is the number of equations you need at least. So if you have 3 things you don't know, x, y, and z, you need 3 equations.
yeah. So what I would do is we would grab like d equals 6 or something, and we would put it in to do 2x plus 2y plus 3 times 6 equals 1.
Okay, so what are you doing? Sorry, explain that again. Sorry, what do you want to do?
Let's put the d equals 6, and now we'll do 2x plus 2y plus 3 times 6 equals 1.
3 times 6 equals 1. Oh, are you taking this one? Sorry, are you taking this?
Yes.
So you're rearranging this. You're saying that I'm rearranging this for z. I'm saying z is equal to 6 plus 2x minus 4y. Is that what you did? Is that what you did? You isolated this for z? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And then what? And you're plugging it into this one?
Yes.
Okay.
correct.
I don't think that's going to help you out, but whatever. We'll try it.
'Cause
2y plus 3. But you see, like, now instead of z, I got to put all this shit in, right?
I love putting all that stuff.
All this stuff in, dude. So this is 6
Well,
plus
let's solve
2x minus
for-
4y is equal to 1. Yeah, see, here's the issue with this, is that
You
this...
can technically do that.
But you can't. But this is still going to be an equation with x's and y's, right? I still can't solve this because there's not one
I
variable.
love my x's and y's.
I hate my x's. No, I don't hate my exes. I don't hate anyone. Okay.
Adolf Hitler.
Adolf Hitler? What? Oh, is that the whole fucking what's his name, dude? Kanye being like, I love Hitler. Where is Kanye, by the way? Where is Kanye? Where's Kanye, dude?
Well, I was just saying that because you said I don't hate anyone, so I said Adolf.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's the Kanye thing. That's okay. Here, I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you what you do.
I
All right.
don't even know who Kanye is.
Here's what we want to do, Teacup. Fuck. I want. Let me think. Okay. I have a Hitler avatar in Roblox. Please no. Don't do that. Okay, one sec. Okay, I need to combine these in some way that I can get rid of one of the variables. Okay, that's what I have to do. Yes. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add this one to this one. All right, we're going to call this equation 1, equation 2, equation. And then I'm going to show you the easy way to do this on the calculator. All right. If I do equation 1 plus equation 2, right, let's see what we get. So I get x plus 2y minus z equals -4. And then this is minus 2x plus 4y minus z is equal to 6. Okay. What happens when I add these together? Teacup? What happens when I add these two equations together? I'm adding 1 to 2. We're going to do like the elimination method, but we're going to do it in like a couple steps
so
here.
the elimination method. Well, don't we have to? we have to get a common variable.
Yeah, we do.
Uh,
We have a
we have to
common
get a
variable
common
with the
code.
z. We got a common variable with the z.
Okay, so we'll do minus for all of it. So we'll do
Oh, yeah,
z
good.
negative negative z minus z x minus 2x 2 minus 4y.
Good. So this is gonna be yeah, this is gonna become 3x, right?
Yes.
This is gonna become
Wouldn't it be negative 3x?
no, it's x minus 2x is positive 3x.
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
2 minus 4y is minus 2y, right? Minus z minus z is gone. Good. Minus 4 minus 6 is negative 10. Okay, cool. All right.
Yes.
This is a freak equation. We're going to call this equation 4. All right. All right. I now want to I want to line this up, hopefully. Let me think here what I want to do. No, okay. I want to combine 2 and 3 into a different equation, okay?
Oh, I was going to combine 1 and 4.
1 and 4.
Well, no, we can't do that.
No. You want to do it with something different, okay? So
let's do 2.
Yeah, otherwise you're going to create the same thing. So let's combine 1 and 3.
Yo.
Okay. What do I need to do? And I want 1 and 3. I want the result to also be just in terms of x and y. Okay.
Okay.
So
you just like write them down 1 and 3 though. It's easy to see when it's like 2 of them.
Sure. I can do like this is x plus 2y minus z, right, equals negative 4. Yeah. And then this is 2x plus 2y plus 3z equals 1, right?
Okay.
Okay, but I want to kill off the z's. Let's kill those z's.
Just times number 1 by 3.
Good.
Times it by negative 3.
Oh Jesus, what is that?
Negative.
Yeah. Yes. This is going to be
negative 3. So
yeah, we can multiply this by negative 3, right? So this is going to become minus 3x, and then this is going to be minus 6y, and then this is going to be plus 3z, right? And then this is going to be plus 12.
Okay. Real quick.
What's up, dude?
Relevant. Are we just glossing over the fact that Shifter said he has a Hitler avatar on Roblox?
We talked about that. It's okay.
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 So now we'll do.
Now we're gonna subtract these, right?
Yeah. So now it's 3z. So we subtract them again.
Okay. So these are gonna go away, which is nice, right? Bye bye.
No more z's. We hate z's.
Hate the z's. Okay, but we love our x's. Okay, so minus 3x minus 2x is what?
Huh? Negative 3x minus 2x is just x.
No. This is minus 5x. Minus 5x.
Oh,
Negative 3 minus 2 is minus 5.
I'm thinking of the wrong thing.
All right, what's this one then, Teacup?
So, negative 6, it would be negative 8y.
Good. What would this be?
And then it's just, what's 12 minus 1, guys? I don't know. I think it's 25.
11. It's 11.
I say, obviously, it's 200.
All right, there we go. This is equation 5, right? So now what we've done is we've done like some like mutation shit, right? We've taken 1 and 2, we've created 4, and then we've taken 1 and 3 and we've created 5.
Yo, so now we can do 4 and 5.
Now we can do 4 and 5, right? Now 4 and 5 can start killing each other off, okay? What should we kill off? Should we kill off X or Y? Which one do you want to kill off?
You know, I feel like we don't want to multiply by 1.65 to get a negative 5 for the X, so let's kill off the Y.
Okay, we're gonna let our X live. Our X is gonna live today, dude. All right, cool, excellent.
And then we'll kill him next time.
All right, so I'm gonna multiply this one by what?
4.
4. Okay, sure. So I'm gonna multiply this whole thing by 4, right? So this is gonna become 12x
minus 8y.
Good. Minus 40.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll just do. Again,
We're gonna add them up. What's up, oh my gala? What's up?
So, there's no more.
The Y's are dead. Oh no. So what
12
is this?
minus 5, so it's like 17 or 18. I don't know.
17x good is equal to negative 51, right?
Yo, yes.
What's x equal to?
X is equal. Let's divide 17 and 51.
What is it?
Hey Alexa.
It's negative 3. It's negative 3.
I don't know what 17.
No, it's negative. It's negative 3. Okay, cool. All right. There you go. You got one of the numbers, right? Okay.
Yo, now we can plug X into the Y.
You can plug it into here, right? So now you can plug it into
I
here.
wanna
You can plug
do
it. You can actually plug it into this one or this one. It doesn't matter which one you plug it into. You can plug it into
Number
4 or 5.
five.
Let's plug it into 5. So I have -5 times -3 minus 8y equals
We have
11.
15 minus 8y is equal to 11. So now, wait, I need you to catch up on your stream.
Oh, it's okay. So -8. I'm streaming on Discord too, right? It's
I need
negative
Discord
negative
then.
negative 4.
Okay.
So
So
y
now
is
we'll
equal
do,
to what?
2.
No.
-8, right? What's -8 divided by -4? No, what's -4 divided by -8? I don't know what to do.
It's 1/2.
I think it's like 1/2.
Yeah, it's 1/2. Okay, cool. Got another variable. All right. Let's get our last
Now we
one.
can find
Need z,
Let's find
right?
Z.
So what did I figure
Let's
out?
Put it into number 1.
So what was it?
Y
What-
is equal to 1/2 and
Y is
X
1/2.
is
X is -3, right? So we have -3. I'm gonna use this one right here. So -3
Yes.
plus 2 times 1/2 minus z equals -4, right? That's -3 plus 1 minus z equals -4.
So now we can add the -3 and the 1, and then we can do subtraction on the other side, or addition. And then we got z is equal to -2.
Negative z is equal to -2, so z is equal to
Z is equal to 2.
2. Good.
I'm so smart.
Wow, that was a fucking long question, dude.
You were the one that picked it.
I did pick it. You're right. I did. Okay. Now the key thing. Why is my clapping thing still happening? Stop clapping. Okay. All right. Okay. So this was the long way to do it. You want to see the fucking fast way to do it? Where like
Yeah,
if you have a
fast
calculator,
way.
here we're gonna bust we're gonna bust out the big guns here, dude. This is
Why
okay.
is it always a TI-84 calculator?
Dude, it's the TI-84 can do everything, dude. Do you know I took
I
the
don't own a TI-84 calculator.
I took the TI-84 as my date to do you guys want to see a picture of me with my date in high school?
Yeah.
No, you guys want to see it? Here, I'll show it to you guys because it's funny. I
It was
do.
the TI-84 Silver Edition calculator.
No, I took my calculator as my date because like I joked how about like I knew how to turn her on and like I knew how to press all the right buttons. Like there was a lot of jokes in there and whatnot. I was a super nerd. I'm still super nerd, but this was like even more nerd geo than.
It's just a calculator.
Well,
Yeah, dude. But here you go. You guys gonna laugh at this shit. There you go. Enjoy.
You're super.
That's me in 9th grade, dude.
Oh my god.
Ah,
What is
Right?
that?
Yeah, that's me,
in
dude. That's,
college.
yeah, no, this is me in 9th grade, dude, and this is the TI 83 Silver Edition or whatnot. It was my date.
Okay,
that's
guys,
what
we
it
now know the direction of the whales and what the whales are. Let's pinpoint the location
Oh my God.
of his parents' house.
Oh my god, dude, stop. Yeah, right. All right, where'd that question go? There it is. Sorry, my bad.
I ate it.
Okay, here, but I'm gonna show you the easy way to do this with the calculator. It's so much easier. Okay, it has to do with matrices. Okay,
Oh, you show all that work? Wow.
I did.
You had to show all that work for equations.
Yeah, well, if you're doing a 3x3, which sucks. Okay, I'm gonna write this as a matrix. Okay, where I'm gonna use the coefficients, right, to make like a matrix. So let's see, what's in front of the x?
Wait, what and where?
What coefficient's in front of the x here?
1.
1, 2, -1, -4. Does everyone see how that works? You just take the coefficients in front of each thing. Okay.
Yo, 3x4 matrices.
So this is -2, 4, -1, 6, and this is gonna be 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay. This is my matrix. I call it matrix A. Love it. All right, cool. All right, now let's put that into the calculator. Okay. So I'm gonna go to second matrix. I'm gonna go to edit. I'm gonna make this 4x3. Oh no, sorry, it's 3x4. My bad. Why do I always screw that up? I ever which one's row, which one's columns? Okay, so this is 1, 2, -1, -4, and then we have -2, 4. Oh fuck, not. -1, 6, and then we have 2, 2, 3, 1, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the home screen here. I'm going to go to second matrix. I'm going to go over to math. I'm going to scroll down to RREF. And then I'm going to tell it to do, this is called row reduced echelon form, is technically what the math thing is. And we're going to do that on that matrix we just created, matrix A. And then it's going to do this. It's going to give me, it's going to spit out a matrix that looks like this. So that's 1, 0, 0, negative 3, 0, 1, 0, 0.5, which is the same thing as 1/2, right? And then 0, 0, 1, 2. What this tells us is that, remember, this was x, this was y, this was z. That tells me that 1x is negative 3, which, is that what we had? Yeah, remember? X was negative 3. 1y, y is 1/2. That's what we figured out down here, right? Y was 1/2. And that z right here is equal to 2, which is what we figured out right here. And there you go. That's how you do it with a calculator in like, what, like 20 seconds, you know? This took like 10 minutes to do it by hand, but, you know, if you have a calculator, you can do it real quick. And that's a very cool trick to know. And, yeah, it saves you doing all of this work, you know? But for your test, you know, if she wants you to show your work, you got to do all this. If you're in the real world and you have a calculator, just do this. Looks a lot easier. All right, cool. Nice, Teacup. That was a good question. I like that one. Hopefully you're ready for your test, right? Okay, let's see. Add 1. Did I give you... I don't know if I gave you a bond coin yet. Wait, what? Mount 1 user. Teacup. All right, let's see. Is KP Jetty here? KP, you still here, dude? Oh, KP is muted and deafened. Oh, no. Oh, no. I wanted to help KP.
I'll mute him.
No, I can't. No, I can't. No, he's deafened. I can't undeafen him because then he would just start like hearing shit. Here, let me tag. I'll tag him. I'll tag him here real quick. Got time for ya if you want. Yeah, anybody else here who's new or on the stream and whatnot, please join our Discord. Our Discord's like how I'm interacting with people, you know, answering their questions and stuff. You can join using the link there, and you can submit whatever questions you have in math and science, and I'll help you out. I have a PhD in physics. I'm decently smart, except on the weekends. And I can, you know, help you out with stuff. And also everyone else, you know, learns. Everyone else here learns stuff, so it's a win-win. Okay, if KP's not gonna, well, I'll do KP's next time. Friday we got a session as well. Okay, cool. All right. Thank you everyone for coming to office hours. It's a lot of fun. It is recess now. I got 40 minutes. If you guys want to come play some games.
No, hold on. I sent you a DM.
You sent me a DM.
Please do it now.
Please do it now. You mean like please go to my DMs right now? You want me to check out my DMs?
And do
Oh yes, I'll get you your tier 1. Don't worry, I'll get it. I can't buy you stuff right now because I'm streaming. But yeah, you're good.
Also, yeah, I think I'm not gonna play Warzone.
You guys don't want to play Warzone? Why not? No one wants to play Warzone with me?
Too hard though.
No, we can play DMZ. DMZ's easy, bro. Sorry, where's my stream manager? He's like, yeah. So what we do here is during office hours, I help you out with math and science questions, and then afterwards we have recess. You know what? If someone wants to switch the game to Fortnite, they can. They just have to buy the thing in the stream. You can switch the game during recess. That's one of the new rewards I put up. So if you don't want to play,
how much points is that?
We'll check it out here. We're gonna start streaming right now. I'll start streaming the actual gaming stream. Give me a second. Okay. What's up, bro? Who's saying hi to me?
Oh, KP.
Oh, what's up, KP? How's it going, brother?
Good.
Good. Sorry, I ran over on time with stuff, and I gotta run to play the video games with the kids. Okay. But can I go over that? Is that a homework question you have for tonight?
No, I can't get an answer later.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, let me go over it with you on Friday, if that's cool. So we just had we had so many people with questions today. Also, if you guys submit your questions slightly before the stream, then I know to get to them faster. There's kind of an order to it. If you have a test coming up, I'll bump you to the front of the line. And if you've never asked a question
Oh,
before,
sure.
but yeah, otherwise first come first serve. You know, that's how we do it. So, for sure. I know it was a long stream, KP. So I know you probably submitted the question. You're like, oh
Question
man,
he
what are they
asked.
doing?
What's the question about?
I think it's a physics question. I love physics. That's why I actually really enjoy your questions, KP. I would love to do physics. But I'm already 25 minutes over, and the kids want to play games. So that's what I got to do.
Yeah, that's fine.
All good. Let me go over it on Friday with you. Or if you need it before then, just DM me, and I'll do a thing like where I just write up the answer and send it to you. Cool?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
You're welcome, dude. Okay. All right. So I can stop streaming on this one. If you guys want to keep playing games with us, come to the recess chat, and I'll see you guys in the VC there.